Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video we are gonna make LCS VM. So first of all we have to make a project where we have to settle our VM. So we have to create a project. We can simply like name the project, simply we can say D65 for like just testing purpose. So we can say it's a test, and after that we have to create a description. So we have simply write a description here. So we can select finance and operation. I have to deploy. So for instance we have like education purpose, so simply create and click on the it is like giving us roles of our organization. We don't have to give any role to anybody. So next, click on the next. Then we have simply created a project where our all the instances like VMs and type boxes are created on. So click on simply cloud hosted environment and connect like the Azure connector, where our charge will be basically the charges will be on to we have to name it like Azure subscription, or subscription we can simply say subscription ID or something like basically we have to copy the subscription ID of our like which one gonna be connected it through. So I'm gonna connect it like with the subscription ID here. So simply we have copy and paste it to it. Then I have to click next. Then the my connector is being like connected. Then I have to simply yes it, and I have to like deploy it on the ECS. So I can simply select it ECS. So it's been deploying. It can take some time, like some of the time. So yes, it takes 1 to 3 to 4 minutes, like depending on the internet and infrastructure of Microsoft. So we have to wait it for a while. Yeah, so our Azure connector is connected, so we have to go to the cloud host environment once again to deploy a dev box. So yeah, so we can simply click on the create button. So it's been in the process. Yeah, we can simply select the version I've been deploying on, click on the next, click on the dev test. Like I have been creating and for the developer side. So it has been like we have to give the name. I will be giving like this is 5. Yeah, so smart cloud solutions will be the best one choice. I will be using the CPU for B8MS because it takes less money, amount of money to charge, and it can be like on average it will be good. So I will simply check on it and click on the next and deploy. So click once we click on the deploy, it will start deploying on the Microsoft server and the US, whether the whatever the region you have selected on. So yeah, that's all. So we have to wait for a while once the deployment is started. So yeah, our like VM is going to be deployed soon. It takes usually like 5 to 10 second more. Yeah, here we go. Our VM is deploying, like started on the deploying. So here you can see basically it takes 6 to 7 hours on the Microsoft server to be deployed completely. So once this step is completed, you don't have to do anything, you have to wait. So yeah, that's all from today's video. If you like you usually help this video, please give it a likes, and take care. Bye bye, we will meet in the next video.